We're talking about the dynamics of the foot. Sometimes the ball of your foot, the padding in the ball of your foot will decrease. So what do we do in our office? I make it very simple. We have memory foam going to put you into a better position, but also the outsole being EVA, that's all cushioning. You can see the contour, and you know, we've been looking at your foot for many years now. And when we take this out, I love the contour and how it fits. But you can see this little extra area of white, that's all your memory foam. So that's gonna really provide an incredible amount of cushion. Those rings, those eyelets, as we like to call them, they're all different shades of the metal that they're expressing. So you see it in the navy with that nice almost bronze color, you with the mold. You come medium and wide widths, but you're getting that full contact comfort footbed built out of EVA. You can see when you are pressing your heels into the ground, you have a nice cushion and support. But also, what I like about the Colo, where it goes over the toes.
Oh, and by the way, so Christy, can you explain to everybody, because it's a father-son team based in New York that's behind your brand, but you guys are really known for like the tumbling and the kind of deconstructed nature of your leathers, and it kind of comes from Europe.
It really does. Most of, like, we're family owned. This is that all day wear. The crisscrossing of the strap looks beautiful on the foot. We do buckle adjustability. Of course, that's attached with elastic o-ring. Often
heel, you're getting like barely anything. It's almost like my foot is standing flat. So it's really comfortable, and the gold looks
beautiful. There's almost like a little rock to this, like when you
will melt down. And by the way, what a dream these are. If anything could be lighter weight than that TSV, it's these. What is going on here?
You know, this is a pull slide. So I think about this like, you know, elegantly walking around the side of a pool with like a draping gown, you know? That's what I'm thinking about.
With a what?
The big old hat. In the black ones, the way that those three straps move with you, like this is just you're not expecting to get something out of this that you would be wearing around the pool. And you know what? My good friends have right off the bat, because it's a hat tip to the origins of orthotics. Because the cork really forms to your foot. But then you can see the bounciness because it's EVA. It's cork wrapped around EVA. EVA is that shock absorbing material. Then it's our easy comfort outsole. So it's this elevated outsole, nice and sleek, low profile, but you can see how that's going. But then one thing that I love on the inside of your right foot, Shawn, goring. Goring is that elastic. It's just the right amount of give. So it's going to move with you. That upper that you can see where it's coming, right where the foot meets the ankle, you're not going to get any of that irritation because what's directly against.
But I really have to say, your denim, which you do not do a lot of, is spectacular. And for those of you watching, because denim on denim, different denim legs and pants. And you know what
I did 2 washes.
I was going to say.
You know what? I'm not, come spring, summer.
Share the cabana is, the airiness, the way it's moving with your foot, Shawn. I love the gray outsole. Like, I think it just makes it pop. The comfort that you're feeling.
Barbara, enjoy your pair of sesame. Have the greatest spring season with your new Revitalines.
Thank you. And thank you, Shawn. I enjoy watching your shows. And God bless you all.
Oh,
thank
God bless you.
You
Right
too.
back at you.
You
Good
too.
night. Dr. Nick, it's probably, and here's that 4-way strap. Can we put that thermal image back up on the screen? Because this is a brand new style. They're not $66 as they should be. They're $49 just for 24 hours. And
Paper. They're going to just hold you in nicely without looking too, without like giving tight where you're not going to get muffin top.
They are absolutely wildly flattering. The slit on the side.
They're adorable, actually, right?
By the way, again, cropped, so 25 or 23 inches. You could even do like a
it's cute. Cute.
God, I love Jennifer Coffey. So beautiful, so delicious.